बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नूरानी कायदा लेसन नंबर 9। Thanks for joining revision points. Soft letters are harufe leen. Fatha before waw sakin and fatha before ya sakin. These are called harufe leen. We cannot pull harufe leen. Bau, bai, au, ai, au, ai, au, ai, hau, hai, hau, hai, hau, hai, au, ai, au, ai, au, ai, hau, hai, hau, hai, hau, hai, gau, gai, gau, gai, gau, gai, khau, khai, khau, khai, khau, khai, qau, qai, qau, qai, qau, qai, cau, cay, cau, cay, cau, cay, jau, jay, jau, jay, jau, jay, shau, shay, shau, shay, shau, shay, yau, yay, yau, yay, yau, yay, dou, doi, dou, doi, dou, doi, lau, lay, lau, lay, lau, lay, nau, nay, nau, nay, nau, nay, rau, ray, rau, ray, rau, ray, tou, toi, tou, toi, tou, toi, dau, day, dau, day, dau, day, tau, tay, tau, tay, tau, tay, zau, zay, zau, zay, zau, zay, sau, say, sau, say, sau, say, sou, soy, sau, soy, sau, soy, thau, thay, thau, thay, thau, thay, thấu, they, thấu, they, thấu, they, lấu, lầy, lấu, lầy, lấu, lầy, phấu, phầy, phấu, phầy, phấu, phầy, vấu, vầy, vấu, vầy, vấu, vầy, bấu, bay, bấu, bay, bấu, bay, mấu, mày, mấu, mày, mấu, mày. Instructions. We will read the letters softly. We cannot put haruf leen. If fatha is before the letter waw or before the letter ya, these are called haruf leen. Example: bau, bai, bau, bai. I wish you all the best. Best and easy way to learn Arabic. For more, please subscribe the channel. Revision points. Choose the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.